Now, a Cuba-bound cargo plane carrying food and hygiene kits left Miami on Tuesday. The shipment is part of U.S. efforts to provide direct humanitarian assistance to Cuban residents while it still continues to exert pressure on Cuba's communist-run government. United States says that the assistance of 8 packages for over 700 families is designed to bypass the Cuban government. Catholic relief services and even local Catholic groups are involved in distributing the aid with the aim to ensure the supplies that reach Cuban residents directly.
Shipping pre-packaged boxes of commodities, so it's food, medical equipment, daily essentials and things like that that'll help, hygiene kits, things that'll help families that are going through blackouts because the communist regime has chosen to steal the money and hoard all the assets.
Tuesday's shipment is the first $60 million tranche of a total $100 million U.S. aid commitment. The assistance also comes after months of intensified U.S. pressure on the Cuban government and government-related institutions. U.S. measures have included sanctions targeting parts of Cuba's military and intel apparatus. The Trump administration has also maintained pressure over Cuba's political and economic system. Cuba has blamed U.S. sanctions and the energy blockade for parts of its economic crisis. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has taken a personal interest in U.S.-Cuba policy and has pushed for changes to the island's socialist system. The aid initiative therefore comes alongside a broader U.S. campaign of pressure on Havana. The latest initiative also builds on an earlier program that provided direct U.S. support to Cuba that previous assistance followed Hurricane Melissa. The U.S. says that earlier program was also distributed through Catholic channels. The new shipment expands that very direct delivery model.